We are going out today on a fun little content drive as a family. We're going to like this fun place and we're going to take pictures with them for like their spring break ads and things like that. So it's going to be really fun. My godson is here with me. Whole family is here, so it's going to be a fun day. So we're about to go do that. But first I wanted to open up a couple PR boxes. I think 2 of these you guys have seen before. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then one child, they done opened it. They done opened it and played with it. A toy company had sent them like a toy. It's like a toy box type of thing that has a lot of different compartments on it. But it's gonna be hard to show y'all because they kind of opened up everything. But I'm gonna show you these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's go. Let's start. I want to show you. I'm just to make sure that my address is not gonna be showing. This one is called Tilt. It said TILT, and then you kind of ripped it like that to open it. It's very cute, very pink. This is actually a brand that I modeled for, and they sent me a lot of their products. Lips. Well, you'll see. Okay. I don't know if I should take my, right, is that better? I feel like the pictures were distracting y'all. But this is the first one from Tilt. Thank you, Tilt. All right, let's get into it. So we open it up like this. Let me take the box out. So this is what they sent me. You know, I always have to do a thumbnail, y'all. Okay, get into it. And then you open it. Let me turn this around so you can see how it's supposed to look. Hold on, y'all. Don't look. Okay, wait. So you open it and voila. Okay, so cute. This is a book. I'm gonna show you this, but this is, look how cute the packaging is, y'all. Look how cute. Thank you, Tilt. They sent me these very cute fuzzy hair clips that say Tilt. When I get my box braids back, I'm gonna put these in to hold my hair back. And these are what they call their grip sticks. So they have, and then this is their Landscape Midnight Drip Mascara Grip Stick. This is clear. Day Date and Happy Hour. I love the names of them. And I love this brand specifically because it is easy for me to use with just one hand. So they have magnetic open and closures. Look at that. So I could open it and do everything. This one is Day Date. So super cute. Super cute. I probably will wear this one today on our shoot. Matches my nails a little bit. So cute. And then literally could do it all with one hand. This is Happy Hour. Oh no, this is clear, y'all. You see the baby? The baby got into them. So wait, this is clear and this is Happy Hour. This is Happy Hour. Look at that. Like a cute dinner, a dark look. Love it. Thank you. And then the mascara. Let's see. And even the mascara, the same thing. And then they have refillable tubes. Y'all see? So cute. Love it. And then the cutest part, y'all, of it all is, let me show y'all this real quick. Let me show y'all this. Look. Let me show y'all this. All right. I'll flip through. A familiar face. That is me. So cute.
Put your hands up.
Put my hands up. Here he comes. My godson. I'm trying to show my followers some content. JC, I'm innocent. Please, look at me. I'm modeling in the magazine. You like it? Do I look pretty? Thank
Wait,
you.
does that look the same?
Yes, that's me. Let me see. Look.
It does look like the same.
It does look like the same. Thank you, JC. Look, guys. You still getting me? Look.
No, the shoe.
So cute. All right, so thank you, Teal. Let me put this back. Good old good molecules. Always, always, always sending me the goodies. Okay? Love you. Good molecules. Okay, let's see. Their packaging is so cute and colorful. Thank you, Good Molecules. They sent me Good Molecules Hydrating Gel Moisturizers with Electrolytes. Oil-free gel moisturizer that delivers nutrients to the skin while helping hydrate, balance, and smooth the complexion. So I have not tried this yet, but I'm excited to try it. I believe I showed you guys this one. Brighten Up. And this is a brightening and dark spot bar. So cute. Definitely gonna try that. I'm gonna show you this Lycra one that I modeled for them. Well, I did a content drop for them, and they sent me a package. Lycra, that's like the material that they use. They sent me a bathing suit that was the material, and it's honestly the best material bathing suit that I have. It stretches back into size. It hasn't gotten worn out. I got it like maybe 2 summers ago, and it literally looks brand new. Perfect. I'm not lying. They sent me some of the Lycra socks, hip band, and I'm really gonna start working out, y'all. My son Nicholas always tries to get me to work out with him. I'm really gonna start working out. We got a gym membership and all, y'all. He works out, I do not. I got some high-waisted leggings, which I could use with spring coming. And then they gave me these really cute spring-colored leggings. This like sage green and this powder blue. Let me hold them both up. These like biker shorts. So here goes the sage one. Here goes the powder blue. Very cute, thank you. And then they also gave me a Stretch Lab gift card, and I actually saw a Stretch Lab like 5 minutes away from me, so I'm going to definitely use this. Thank you. My most favorite one, I'm not going to show you the top because it has my address on it. Come here, mommy. But can y'all believe that Chick-fil-A sent us a PR package? Okay. If you guys follow me on Instagram at Jaleesa Graham. Guys, I didn't tell you. Mommy, come here. Y'all, first of all, hold on this Chick-fil-A. My TikTok got hacked. Y'all. I was just about to tell y'all, if y'all follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, I did a reel when the boy's dad took our foster daughter out to like this daddy and daughter dance that, hold on, y'all. I swear, she just be screaming for nothing. She just be like, until somebody comes to her. But she's fine. But Chick-fil-A had like this daddy and daughter dance night. So cute. Chef's kiss, the cutest thing. They made it like restaurant style where the dad and daughters got to like order food, sit down. They had like flowers at the table. They closed off half of the store for the event. It was so cute. I have it up on my Instagram and my Facebook, and I made a new TikTok, so I'm gonna put it here. Y'all, my TikTok got hacked. Okay, I don't know how it happens. And when I looked it up on TikTok, like other people that it happened, it's happening to so many people. And TikTok is not doing anything about it. I've sent in so many tickets, and I've tried to report it, and it's just like, I don't know how they went in and changed my information and logged in, and they're not even doing anything on my page. So if anyone is like messaging you from that page, asking for money, anything, it's not me, y'all. Like, I'm just so But it's okay. I got a new page. I'm gonna put it here. Follow me, show me love on that one, and got to get my likes and follows up on that one. But that was sad news. But I just thought of that because I was telling y'all about the video I made for Chick-fil-A, and they saw the video and they sent us a bunch of free coupons digitally. So they like sent it to me for like free sandwiches. My godson's playing the VR. Sandwiches, free fries, free drinks, free food, like so much free stuff we can use when we go to the store. And then they were like, also look out for something in the mail. And okay, because what? Look, all right, so it's really big. It's a huge box. The kids already dug into it. But it's like this. But let me just show y'all. So one thing, they gave us so much free food coupons. Like gift card type things for like free sandwich, free drink, free whatever. So sweet of them. They gave us this like burger, fry, drink, a blanket thing. Not thing, but like they gave us this burger, fry, ice cream, sandwich, Chick-fil-A, throw blanket. It's so soft and cozy. Okay, thank you. They gave us a bunch of stuff. I don't know. I think some things are missing because the kids got into it. They gave us like some family games. This is called Spin, Spin, Share. Remember, share, and capture family stories. Heard of this game, but we're definitely gonna play it as a family. Last night we played Uno together. The first game it was just me and Gabe. Gabe won. The second game it was all of us, except my godson and the baby didn't play. Their dad won first, then I got second, then Nick got third, then Gabe got fourth. They sent this this classic hungry caterpillar books, fruit alphabet book by Jesse Ford. All these Chick-fil-A, the baby was sitting playing with these for so long, child. Okay, she was playing with these. She loves these. They gave like one like this out at the Daddy and Me dance. But how cute. She was like, moo, moo. So cute. Personalized letter. Okay, I'm gonna read this to y'all. They gave us a bunch of like Chick-fil-A socks. Chick-fil-A socks. Thank you, Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A socks. So cute. Bunch of these Chick-fil-A keychains. We all have one. We're gonna put them on our keys. Alphabet game. Alphabet memory game, which I think the baby actually will love. She loves like little learning space and this. And then they gave them some more merch. Original. The baby could fit this. And then they gave us like 2 adult size ones. Oh my god. How cute. Thank you, Chick-fil-A. Oh, the box is Thank you, Chick-fil-A. Isn't that so sweet? I couldn't believe it. I know she's awake. I couldn't believe it. Thank you, Chick-fil-A. Let me read this cute letter that they sent me, y'all. 2 little Chick-fil-A pens. Okay. Thank you, Chick-fil-A. So cute. On Chick-fil-A
Mom,
paper.
some spaghetti.
Yeah, hold on, okay?
Mom, this please.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to tell the people about my Chick-fil-A letter. Oh my goodness. They said, hi, Jaleesa. Thanks for being a fan of Chick-fil-A. We love being a part of your together time with your family and hope you all enjoyed the daddy and daughter night at your local restaurant. We look forward to serving you again soon. And I hope you enjoy these goodies. Your friends at Chick-fil-A. So cute. All right, Jay's Chick-fil-A knows me and they sent me something. Okay. So, I'm making you mad. All right, y'all. I gotta go be a mom and a godmom. You want your spaghetti? All right, and we gotta get up so we can go to the fun place. Okay?
No, I want spaghetti first.
We're gonna eat spaghetti and then we're gonna go to the fun place. Okay?
Okay.
Deal? High five. High five. Wave to my people. Let your hand be in. Be like, bye, so I can get your spaghetti. They see your little hand. All right, see you guys later. Bye.
Do no.